Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at PC Makeover. So today I'm here again with
Isabel.
We're going to be reacting to Piero, Viejo. This song was recommended to me by my viewers and we really want to check it out. I want to see how she feels about this song and her own perspective. So guys, without further ado, let's get started.
Es un buen tipo, mi viejo,
I love that voice.
que anda solo y esperando. Tiene la tristeza larga de tanto venir andando. Yo lo miro desde lejos, pero somos tan distintos. Es que creció con el siglo,
That's it.
con tranvía y vino tinto.
I love his voice control right there, guys.
Viejo, mi querido viejo, ahora ya caminas lerdo, como perdonando el viento. Yo soy tu sangre, mi viejo, soy tu silencio y tu tiempo. Él tiene los ojos buenos y una figura pesada. La edad se le vino encima, sin carnaval ni comparsa.
Guys. This performance is so nice, it's so neat. Him singing about fathers, expressing the way they take care of their children and the way they love us and show us all the wonderful and amazing feeling, guys. It's so beautiful. The way he's just thinking about it with this sensation and this remarkable feeling is so alluring, guys. I just love his performance right here. I love the way he's just explaining it in details. It's just so understandable and easy for you to just grab and feel along, guys. I just enjoy his piece right here. I enjoy his own explanation of fatherly love. It's beautiful. It's a wonderful explanation and wonderful music to listen to. How's it for you?
So relaxing and the rhythm and everything is so cool and
True. That's so true. Yeah, she got it right. She just put the words where it's meant to be, guys. Let's continue because I'm enjoying his performance already, guys.
Yo tengo los años nuevos y el hombre los años viejos. El dolor lo lleva adentro y tiene historia sin tiempo. Viejo, mi querido viejo, ahora ya caminas lerdo, como perdonando el viento. Yo soy tu sangre, mi viejo, soy tu silencio y tu tiempo. Yo soy tu sangre, mi viejo, yo soy tu silencio y tu tiempo. Yo soy tu sangre, mi viejo.
Oh wow, this song is so heartwarming. Just penetrated down through to my heart. I felt every bit of it. I loved his performance. It's a wonderful piece, guys. The sensation I got while listening to him, I just can't get it anywhere. I just can feel this inner joy within me, this wonderful feeling, knowing that I have a father who's going to be there for me every time, who's going to look out for me and make sure that I get the best life that I deserve and best life that he can work out for me to get. It's so beautiful having that kind of feeling, because there are a lot of people who don't have people who watch over them, people they can look up to, and I feel sad for them because it's a very difficult life to have to live through, knowing that you're the only one you can depend on. It's a very sad place to be in, guys. It's so sad. And I'm happy the way he sang about fathers, and I appreciate them. They need to be appreciated a lot more because they do a lot of things for us. They sacrifice a lot for us to be happy and live a comfortable life. How's it for you?
It has really made me see that fatherly love is really nice and it's needed too.
True.
It's nice.
That's the first. I love his explanation. Just make us know that we need to appreciate our fathers more, and know that they're humans too. They just spend all their life taking care of us and making sure that we are comfortable and happy. Fathers, happy parents, they're so good. So guys, please do let us know what to think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please do make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.